Hi, M6005. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Evelyn Padwick. I'm 38 years old. I'm married. I have three kids, 18, 10, and 9.
Okay.
Two boys and one girl. I serve 5 person in 2 years, two couples, and one boy, 12 years old. My second employer is 4 person, one couple, one lady, and 4 years old.
Okay. Your religion
I am a Catholic
and your highest educational attainment.
high school graduate,
By the way, your household chores on your employer.
washing clothes, washing dishes, ironing, marketing.
Okay. Since I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes, because I take care of my baby also.
So you know how to prepare a meal.
Yes,
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will see if he or she has a fever. I will feed him or her and change the diaper.
Okay. And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did everything, what will you do?
I will call my employer and tell that her baby is stop crying, not stop crying.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because Hong Kong is a uh,
Safest.
safest country and offer a high salary.
Okay. And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
2 years and above.
So it is okay to you to extend your contract.
Yes, if my employer wants it.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
Not yet, but I'm willing to work to learn.
And how will
I
you learn to cook?
I will watch YouTube or reading the recipe book.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes,
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
yes,
It is okay to you to share jobs with a helper.
yes.
How about sharing room with kids?
It's okay to me.
Okay, if your employer wants you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup, it is okay with you?
Yes,
Okay. It is okay to you to taking care of pets.
yes.
How about taking care of elderly? Help them go to bed, to the bathroom.
It's okay to me. It's fine.
Okay. It is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English.
Yes.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me because I am hard worker, honest, uh, trustworthy, and generous.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Evelyn. Thank
Thank you.
you.